Hello there, good afternoon. Thank you for joining us. This is Business Nigeria. These are the stories we are tracking for you at this time. Federal government to explore biotech innovations to transform agricultural sector. BOJ calls for caution over rising food prices. Shares gain as markets weighs Trump's tariff. Policies long-dated bond yields fall. Well, on the show today, let us start with commodities market as gold is not bouncing back yet, but it's a bit down, $3,334.70. Silver, $33.19. Copper, $476.30. And platinum, 1,000. This is up, 0.8245 cents, and that is down 1.7% negative now. Silver is 1.25% in negative, and of course copper is down 1.52%. For platinum it is 0.74% in negative. That's what we have this afternoon. It's still a mixed bag considering the back and forth that we've seen in the international scene. While there are meetings, EU's tariff is on hold, and so we're looking at all of this now. Let's look at corn, wheat, cocoa, and cotton. Now it's down 0.11%. That's for corn, which is $459 per metric ton. Wheat is $539 per metric ton. Cocoa is $9,764 per metric ton. Cotton, $65.99. Let's see the percentage points now. All in red this afternoon. Coincidentally, corn is down 0.11%. Wheat 0.65% in negative. Cocoa is 5% in red, and cotton is 0.18% in red. Well, let's see what global market is looking like. Shares gained today as investors weighed up the latest tariff-related news, while long-dated U.S. Treasury yields were set for their biggest one-day fall since mid-April, mirroring a steep price rally in super long Japanese debt. Let's start with Eurostock 50 futures. Now it is down 0.4%, supported by defense stocks, while the UK's shares gained 1%, following a holiday at the start of the week. Wall Street shares also saw no trade on Monday due to a U.S. holiday. And of course, MSCI's broadest index of Asian Pacific shares outside Japan fell 0.4%, although Hong Kong Hang Seng outperformed with a gain of 0.4%. Now, let's look at the currencies. The dollar edged up 0.4% against the basket of currencies, but still heading for a fifth straight month of declines. The euro fell 0.3% over near a one-month high at $1.14, while the yuan weakened 0.6% to 143.71 to a dollar. Well, crude oil prices now will lead to change on increasing expectations that members of the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and their allies, known as OPEC Plus, will decide to increase their output at a meeting later this week. Now, U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose to $61.74 per barrel. It has an upward margin of 0.34%. Brent crude futures, you can see in green, up 0.39%. That's what we have this afternoon. Bonny Light is down 2.84%, selling for $78.62 for a barrel. For the OPEC basket, dealers are offering $63.63, also in red. Very significant, 3% in negative. Well, that's it for a market analysis for this afternoon. But let's